Nyumaga sekta mar somo e kaunti ma Kilifi onyiso luoro margi ewi kwana mamalo mar jopuonjre ahinya to ma owinjore oriwre kod Form 1 marem chopo e skunde kata bang' yudo sir mar omenda mar somo. Jakoma mar riwruok mar jopuonj ECDE e kaunti no Rosa Rulu koni jopuonjre go kata ka bed ni yudo sir mar omenda mar somo pod bedo kod pek e yudo gik matindo tindo ma owinjo gitigodo e sikul. Yango ni dhier ma okwako gwengego owinjo many kaka itieko mondo kik lek mar somo lal ne jopuonjre mathoth.
We have had cases where children have been given the support, the school fees has been paid, but a student does not report because of lack of personal effects. Here, we also take this opportunity to request the principals, all the education partners, to look at this issue where a child has not reported because they have no school uniform. Many of them actually, the ones who we have witnessed, were present for this launch, had no uniform. Please admit these children. Admit them to come into school and the uniform can be brought in later.
We can come together during holidays and ensure that we give these children the essential life skills that they need so that they are well equipped for the betterment of their future.
Nimeshukuru kile kidogo ambacho amenichangia. Ninashukuru hata na matumaini Jumatatu nitanunua vile vitu ambavyo vitalingana ile pesa niko nayo, na mimi nitaenda kule shule, nitaenda kuelezea na bila shaka watampokea, kisha huko baadaye nje ningangane vile vingine ili aweze kuendelea na masomo.
Nasema asante, nashukuru kwa sababu kama si safe community singeweza kwenda shule na singeendeleza masomo yangu.